The fun thing we're gonna start with is the sweet and sour sauce.
Yep.
So sweet and sour sauce, I like to eyeball everything. I know you're my sister
Me too.
that way.
I do not, unless I'm baking, I don't measure.
There's gonna be
drag.
great. Yes. There's gonna be great. Oh, here, I'm just gonna open that up because there you go.
So ketchup in what's this? Chicken
Ketchup
stock?
No, pineapple juice.
Pineapple
This is where you're gonna
juice.
get your sweet.
Oh, duh. Sweet and sour.
Yes. And I don't know if you guys remember. You know how when we go to the grocery store, we like to pick up that one incredible item. So this is chili sesame oil. It's toasted. We want a hit of this. It's so delicious. We're gonna do some soy sauce.
And this is stuff a lot of us have in our pantry. You wouldn't have to buy this stuff.
Nope. And this is going to reduce
a little rice wine vinegar.
Rice wine vinegar. We're gonna do salt and pepper. And even though you use a soy sauce, you do need salt. You need a hefty amount of salt because we're gonna season that chicken too. And then we want some pepper. Pepper. Okay. And then we're gonna brown sugar. This is you need the brown sugar. You need a hit of brown sugar for this
LBS or DBS, light or dark, whatever you have in the
pantry.
I like
the dark.
Slurry of cornstarch.
Okay, you know how you go get takeout and it's like all glossy and delicious?
Right.
Cornstarch. Right. Isn't that fun? This is lemon lime seltzer. Isn't that fun? So we're gonna take a couple bits of our chicken, and this is already marinated. We got it marinated in salt and pepper and soy sauce. Your soy sauce is pulling all kinds. I'm just gonna dump them in there.
Yes,
Get a couple so we can show you.
Drop some in here?
Drop them in the oil. And then I'm gonna move over here and I'm gonna get started on chow mein. All we need to do is go get some spaghetti noodles for 99 cents, and we put them into our gorgeous vegetables. Look at that.
What do you got in there?
Cabbage or
cabbage,
onions, and cabbage, onions, and celery. Lots of celery. And we're gonna make the sauce right in the pan. So we've got a little oil going in there.
Cabbage, celery, onion.
Soy sauce. Rice wine vinegar. This is what I like double duty with all your pantry staples. A little bit of salt. Garlic, I'm gonna reach right over you.
I'll grate the garlic for you, buddy.
Perfect.
No problem.
And here's an unusual ingredient, but I love it. A little bit of mustard. It's not traditional, but neither is a spaghetti.
Right.
Use the yellow mustard, and it smells so good. Okay, so here's our chow mein.
I'm working on this.
Incredible. Here, we're just gonna talk. We don't need a...
We call it eggs in purgatory.
So good. So good. Okay, we're gonna dump this bad boy out. Oh, wrong one. I'm gonna put him in here. And then we're gonna...
I'm adding the sesame.
Here's a little bit of green onions.
I don't care. I'd eat it off the floor.
Ooh, yeah, right? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Nice.
So there we are. We've got our family. It's so good.
Wait.
Yeah. I love it. Woo!
All right, so reminding you, you get all 7 recipes for $100 that you shopped it.
Yep.
You shopped it, you know it's true. All 7 recipes will be up on our website. Rustic Joyful Food Generations is her cookbook. It's brilliant.